All right, you two, we back. This is for the giveaway. So this is how this is gonna work. I'm gonna ask a question. I need the first person will win, and they get to choose one out of these four things. So my question is, this is gonna be like a two-part question, and you gotta answer it correct. So you might have to go back to the video, do a little bit of adding and listening, but it's all there in the video. So for Summer Heat, part one, what were the fellas that drove the longest? What were their names? And how long did it take them to get to my location where I had the race at? So the first person to answer in the comments will get to choose one of these four things. And then once they say what they want, once they won and they say what they want, I'm going to take one away, and this will be the next thumbnail, if that's the case. Then we're going to go from there. So hopefully we can knock this out on one day. If not, I don't know. I should have did a live. I don't know. I should have did a live. Probably did a live and then have everybody answer in the live, but you can't be on a live. And so, yeah, I did it the right way. So we're going to just do it this way. Sorry about that, guys. This is all like spur of the moment thing. So that was the question. Once again, the question is, what were the name of the guys that came from the furthest away, and how long did they have to drive? It's in part one, Summer Heat. First person to comment down below wins one of the choices. All right, guys, thanks.